It's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: rear park assist, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Ecotec 3 engine, heated steering wheel, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, hands-free liftgate, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. Thank you for viewing this vehicle. Stop in and see us today. Thompson Buick GMC Cadillac is conveniently located on Wake Forest Road next to Costco, just inside the Beltline.